my name is Samuel Weswa Kauka. I work for an organization by the name Flamingo Chap Chap. Flamingo Chap Chap is a community-based organization that was actually founded by a team of young volunteers. That was Brother Owen Otieno Ogola and Sister Wilkista Kemoma Kauka, as well as I, the lead volunteer, Samuel Weswa Kauka. Flamingo Chap Chap community-based organization was formed on a basis of environmental advocacy, environmental justice initiatives, because it was formed under a feeling that there was need to come and help the community to come up together strong, so that we can actually help mobilize the general community against having a feeling of always deforesting polluting our environment. So in so doing, the brainchild of Flamingo Chap Chap, the three members, like I earlier mentioned, Mr. Owen Otieno Ogola, Mrs. Wilkista Kemoma, and Mr. Weswa Samuel, that is currently speaking, was to come up together and form a volunteer group that will enable promote cultures that can work for the communities, more so in Kisumu, where the environment is polluted so much. Going to our activities are majorly based in environmental conservation, protection, and preservation. We kindly feel that when we engage the community in so many other activities, we might be able to come and help the next generation, that is our children's children, to actually be able to find an environment that was preserved by the efforts that we are currently putting on. Going by the human activities that happen day to day, it is never easy to control human activities, that we know, but we shall always try and keep the promise, the goals, the objectives of our organization, so as we may work as a team together with the community that we work with, which is a very encouraging and cooperative community back here in the Manyata slums of Kisumu, Kenya, Kondele Ward. We also appreciate the entire policies that have been put in place by not only the government of Kenya, but also the willingness of the community members to come up and try to curb this pollution menace. Furthermore, we work on a budget of $24,050 annually, which enables us to come up with activities like workshops, training, research. In so doing, we believe this data is collected to enable so many other activities that can actually be used for future reference on how to manage and curb the pollution menace in Kisumu County and more so in the Manyata slums of Kondele Ward. We hope that these fruit grants that we are now applying for, we hope that we can be able to achieve, we can be able to get some grants and implement our core areas, which this year is our main focus is actually climate justice. We find that most people don't get justice. Most people don't get justice as per required by the law of Kenya. This is because, one, people are ignorant about environmental justice. People do not know how to approach this. That luckily we are here. Flamingo Chap Chap, being a registered government organization that is formally registered with a certificate as a community-based organization, comes and will always petition either the government to always come up with liable laws that will protect, preserve, and actually conserve the environment. We hope that the future is bright as we work towards a pollution-free